We just finished shooting the fifth movie from our inox testing, and I must confess that that was a pretty cool moment. Not only because the scenery around us was breathtaking, as you can probably see, but also because we proved one more time that inox is one of the most resistant watches that was ever conceived.
I'm getting off my cancelled train, wondering who you were. People rushing everywhere, believing they're always on time. Now they stuck with the flight they missed, selfish thoughts playing there. Who wants to know? Who wants to know what made you decide to live? I hate to hear them say we're late 'cause you're dead. You made it to the other side. You think to cross the line. Sorry you did on time. You did it on time. Sitting on the other train, my face holds thoughts of you, wondering why you went off the rails. My life for you was to blame. Now it's too late to know. You're too late to know. Nobody wants to let themselves go. You had your reasons that took you so far. What made you decide to live? I hate to hear them say we're late 'cause you're dead. You told your feet to cross the line to the other side.
Merci.
Goodbye, Klaus. Thank you.
You're giving yourself, yeah, maybe.
You told your feet to cross the line to the other side. Sorry you dead on time. You're dead on time.
But obviously, we do not expect our customers and wearers of the inox watch to go through such an extreme experience. We simply make sure through our homologation testing process that our products are made to last.
You told your feet to cross the line